Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and if you're scrambling to find the perfect gift for your special someone, why not try out today's how-to? Today in the AFI lab, I'll be showing you guys how to make marbled candles. They're super trendy and a really pretty way to scent your space, so keep watching if you want to find out how to make them. Start with your double boiler on high and ready to go. Place your pouring pitcher full of wax into the double boiler and allow it to melt. While the wax is melting, prepare your candle container. We'll be using this 16-ounce hexagonal glass container that will show off the marble design of the wax really nicely. So place a metal wood wick tab on your wood wick and then place a wick sticker on its base. Then press the wick onto the base of the container, making sure it's firmly adhered. Check on your melting wax. Once it's fully liquefied, remove it from the heat and check its temperature. We want it to be about 185 degrees Fahrenheit to add our fragrance. Once the target temperature is reached, we are ready to scent it. To make this perfect candle for Valentine's Day, I will be using our fresh cut roses scent. It's pre-measured out, so I'm just going to go ahead and pour it all in and give it a nice, good, thorough stir. Now we can pour our first bit of the wax into the candle to create the marble design. Pour in about 1 centimeter of wax. Then grab a wooden skewer and your candle die of choice. Dip the tip of the skewer into the die and create swirl designs in the wax that we just poured. Working carefully, rotate the container in your hands, allowing the dyed wax to reach each side of it. You'll see the marble design appear before your eyes. To finish off our candle, all we have to do is pour the rest of the wax. Simply fill the rest of your container with the wax and your marble candle is just about done. All that's left to do is allow the wax to cool completely so the wick can be trimmed. When the candle has completely solidified, trim the wick to 1/4 of an inch, and just like that, you have a beautiful handmade Valentine's Day gift for your loved one. To make sure your candle has the best throw possible, allow it to cure for up to a week before its first burn. Once it's ready to be used, light the wood wick and enjoy your creation. So this 16-ounce candle costs us about $4 to make, meaning it can be sold wholesale for $6 to $8 and retail for $10 to $16 depending on the fragrance and additives that you choose to use. We really hope you enjoyed following along with us for today's how-to. And if you did, drop a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. And don't forget to ring that bell icon so you never miss an update from AFI. Thanks so much for joining us in the lab today. I'm Maddie, and I'll catch you guys in the next one real soon. Bye!